Hello friends, yesterday I had gone to Pune. Just wanted to share you about the experience while traveling to Pune. Now there was a lot of free time with me while traveling. So I happened to grab one audiobook. The name of the audiobook was Be Obsessed or Be Average by Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone is a very famous author. He is the 7 times bestseller. He is the #1 salesman. So I got a chance to listen to his audiobook. It was an amazing experience, a very awesome audiobook. Now in this book the author says that you would need to be obsessed at whatever you are doing. If you are not obsessed, you will be average, and average people will not be successful. If you want to be successful, you would need to be obsessed with whatever you are doing. Now there are many naysayers and haters when you are on the path of success. Now you would need to be aware of the naysayers and the haters. Now the naysayers are the people who are from your family or your friends who really care about you, and they will always say you, don't be too hard on you, money is not everything, don't work for too long, get a good sleep, get a good sleep, only then you will be able to work at a specific time. So you would need to be very much aware about the naysayers. It will be difficult to identify the naysayers, whereas the haters, you will be able to immediately identify who the hater is. Now the hater will always try to demotivate you in whatever you are doing, because they themselves are not successful. So they will always demotivate you. They will always tell you that don't do this, you will never be successful, you will never be able to achieve this, don't work too hard doesn't gain anything, money is not everything, don't work for money, work for yourself, work for your health, look at your health. So these are the people who do not like you to be successful. But then when you listen to these kind of comments, you be sure that you are on the right track, and it should give you the confidence that you need to be obsessed about the thing that you like and the things that you love. Now the author also says that you would need to write your goals, and you would need to be obsessed about those goals. Now the goal writing, you should write your goal every night before going to sleep and every morning when you get up. At that specific time you would need to write those goals, and you would need to really be obsessed about those goals. So friend, these were few of the things that I really learned about the audiobook. That is a very good audiobook. I am leaving a description of this book below the video. Please go ahead and buy this book. It will give you that confidence that you always needed, and it will also boost up your energy. So please go ahead and click on this link and go ahead and buy this book. Also please make sure that you share the video, you like the video, and you subscribe to my channel. Once you do that, it will give me the confidence that I need. Thank you very much. That's it for now. Thanks. Bye bye.